guys, it is a beautiful day here in Alaska. I'm in Texas, and we're back with another truck of the week. And even though this isn't a truck, it's pretty noteworthy, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. This is a 2021 Polaris Ranger Northstar, and it is on a 6-inch high lifter lift with 6-inch high lifter portals. So as you can imagine, my favorite part of the build is the awesome paint job. So that was done by our friend Stefan at Devilish Trends, and the unique flake is Purple Haze by Paint Hovers. For the wheels, we have 26-inch JTX Forged Reapers. So for the finish on these wheels, we have a brushed finish with candy purple backs, and that was all done at BCC Coatings. These beautiful wheels are wrapped in 45-inch BKT tires. And this build is complete with a full wet sound system.